My name is Eric Freiberg. I'm Director of Operations for CDE Collision Centers. We have been partners with asTech for over 5 years. All aspects of the asTech tool line have been beneficial to CDE, starting off with just the pre and post scans, knowing that all of our customers' vehicles are being scanned with OEM equipment in a quick and timely manner. As we evolved into doing calibrations, whether it was with a mobile technician coming out or having someone stationed there in one of our facilities, knowing that OEM targets were being used, OEM software was being used to complete that calibration, and having the mindset of knowing that car was done right. In addition to all the scanning and calibration hardware that we have used with asTech, we're also utilizing their ADAS Think software, which analyzes all of our estimates as we write it for required calibrations on that vehicle. It's definitely brought a peace of mind to all of us here at CDE to know that as anything has been updated within the manufacturer's guidelines or as we update our estimate, we're getting the most current and active information to know what is required on that vehicle. It's taken a lot of the guessing and search work away from our employees and provides it at our fingertips.
My name is Tim Hetfleisch. I'm a regional manager at CDE Collision Centers and I've been here about 5 years. My overall experience with asTech has been great. What stands out is at CDE, all 16 of our locations, we use asTech in every single one. You know, anything I need, they'll get it from me. I can get a hold of them quick. They handle any problems right away. If we have any questions about any type of calibration, all the way down to their mobile tech. We use their mobile van, mobile service, which they have 2 techs that go around, and we have a couple techs in our shops that actually do all the calibrations in those shops. Very helpful, knowledgeable. TruePoint has been a great addition. We can do it at any time we want, the calibrations. We're not waiting on anybody to get here. We do it on our schedule. We get that customer back in that vehicle quicker and on time. Great company to do business, partner up with. Automotive industry in the last 5 years changed tremendously. From self-driving, self-stopping, having the vehicle scanned correctly, calibrated correctly, you can guarantee that car is going to be safe for that customer. Their family is going to be safe, no worries.